It's almost time. The invitations are out, the keynote is scheduled, and the tech world is buzzing. WWDC 2025 is just around the corner, and if the rumors are true, this could be Apple's most transformative developer conference yet. We're expecting a fire hose of software updates, a glimpse into Apple's future, and maybe even some surprise hardware. WWDC is where Apple unveils the next major versions of iOS, macOS, watchOS, and more, setting the stage for the year ahead. Drop a comment below. What are you most excited to see at WWDC 2025? Let's start with the big one, iOS 19. This year, it's all about AI. Apple is rumored to be integrating large language models across the entire OS. Think AI-powered summaries in Safari and Mail, smarter photo editing, and a spotlight search that understands natural language. Expect a major design refresh, more customizable lock screens, interactive widgets, and a redesigned control center. Siri is getting a huge upgrade with better context awareness and the ability to perform complex multi-step actions. Imagine asking Siri to find your vacation photos, create a shared album, and send it to your family, all in one go. Messages may get new effects and possibly RCS support for better Android communication. The Health app is set for smarter, more personalized insights. Notifications could be grouped and summarized by AI, helping you focus on what matters. Some advanced features may be exclusive to newer iPhones thanks to the need for powerful neural engines. iOS 19 isn't just about new features, it's about making your iPhone truly intelligent. The pressure is on Apple to deliver a landmark release. If they pull it off, this could be the most exciting iOS update in years. What AI feature do you want most on your iPhone? Let us know below. Now let's talk macOS 16. Expect all those new AI features from iOS 19, tailored for the Mac. Smarter Spotlight, AI-assisted writing, and maybe even code completion in Xcode. The focus is on cohesion-seamless transitions between iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Look for customizable lock screens, interactive widgets, and a Health app for desktop. Performance will be optimized for M3 and the rumored M4 chips, with faster app launches and better battery life. System settings should get easier to navigate, and continuity features like handoff and universal control will be even smoother. Pro users may see hints of new frameworks for creative apps. macOS 16 isn't a reinvention. It's about making the Mac smarter, faster, and more integrated than ever. What's your must-have Mac feature this year? Share your thoughts. WWDC is a software show, but hardware surprises always steal the spotlight. The Mac Studio and Mac Pro are top candidates for an M3 Ultra or even M4 chip refresh, perfect for developers. The Mac Mini could get a spec bump, keeping it a versatile favorite. Apple might showcase the new M4 iPad Pro as the ultimate dev device, or announce iPadOS features best experienced on it. Rumors swirl about a new, more affordable Apple display, maybe with mini LED and promotion. Don't rule out new peripherals, a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for all, or a redesigned Magic Mouse. Any hardware here will be aimed at pros and developers, giving them the best tools to build the future. A surprise Mac Pro or Pro-level display would be a huge win. Hardware is the wild card. Will Tim Cook have a one more thing on stage? We'll be watching. What hardware do you hope to see? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned. Let's talk Apple Watch and watchOS 12. Health and fitness are front and center with AI delivering personalized, proactive insights. Imagine your watch analyzing sleep, workouts, and stress to give actionable advice, like suggesting a lighter workout after a rough night. Expect new, data-rich watch faces and an AI-powered Siri face that surfaces what matters most. Tighter integration with Fitness Plus and the rumored Health app for Mac means your data is more useful than ever. The Workouts app could add new activity types and advanced metrics, while messages and maps get smarter. Blood pressure monitoring might debut as a software framework, paving the way for future hardware. The Smart Stack UI will be refined for quicker, more interactive access. Battery life optimizations are always in the mix. watchOS 12 aims to make your Apple Watch a true wellness partner. What health feature do you want most? Drop your wish list below. Let's get healthier together. It's been a year since Vision Pro launched. Now, VisionOS 2 is here. Expect more customization, better window management, and improved multitasking in the spatial environment. Performance and comfort upgrades are coming, with refined eye and hand tracking. New native apps, like a fully spatial Apple Maps, could be game changers. Developers will get new APIs for shared spatial experiences and deeper sensor access. Digital personas should become more lifelike, making FaceTime calls feel natural. Integration with the Apple ecosystem will deepen, think seamless handoff between Mac and Vision Pro. International expansion could be announced, bringing Vision Pro to more countries. VisionOS 2 is Apple's chance to show the future of spatial computing. What's your dream Vision Pro feature? Share your ideas below. The next chapter starts now. WWDC is for developers, and this year's tools could be game-changing. Swift 6 is expected to make writing fast, bug-free code easier than ever. Xcode will likely get AI-powered assistance for code, bug fixes and explanations, speeding up development for everyone. Swift UI will see new components and APIs, making it easier to build beautiful cross-platform apps. Metal updates could unlock more powerful gaming on Mac and iPad. Expect new APIs for customizable lock screens, shared spatial experiences, and more. Apple will keep lowering the barrier to entry, improving Swift playgrounds and making app development more accessible. TestFlight and App Store Connect should get quality-of-life upgrades for easier testing and app management. These tools are the engine of the App Store. What developer tool do you want Apple to announce? Let us know. The future of apps starts here. Stay tuned for more. The keynote ends. But then, one more thing. It's Apple's signature move, reserved for the biggest surprises. Could it be a home robot, a new smart display, or a sneak peek at Apple glasses? Maybe it's a massive App Store overhaul, a new bundled service, or iMessage on Android. Hey, we can dream. A landmark partnership like with a major AI company or car maker could shake up the industry. Or maybe it's something no one predicted. A new health sensor, a revolutionary chip, or a software platform we haven't imagined. This is the moment for pure speculation and excitement. Apple's one more thing defines the year's narrative. Or maybe there's no surprise at all, just a packed keynote. But we'll be watching until the very end. What's your wildest one more thing prediction? Drop it in the comments. You never know what Apple will pull out of its hat. That's a wrap on the biggest WWDC 2025 rumors and leaks. From AI and iOS 19 to Vision Pro's next chapter, this could be Apple's most pivotal WWDC yet. I'll be covering all the new features, hands-on, right after the keynote. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. What's your boldest prediction for WWDC? Drop your thoughts below, I'll be reading every comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.